Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Struggling to get sales or engagement with Facebook ads? The problem might not be your product, it could be your audience targeting. In this video, I will show you how to find your perfect target audience on Facebook ads step by step and optimized for 2025. Before you touch the ads manager, get clear on who your ideal customer is. Ask yourself what's their age range, where do they live, what are their interests, what problems do they have that your product solves. Example, if you are selling gym leggings, your audience might be women aged 20 to 35. Interested in fitness, Lululemon, gym, workouts, and yoga. Living in the USA or Europe. You can even check your competitors' followers on Instagram or TikTok to see who engages the most. Now, go to MetaSuite. And go to settings. Or go to ads. Then get started. Get started with automated ads. Again, get started. Then next. Then where is your audience located? Search location like US or UK. Then next. Demographics of people already engaging with your page, their top interests, locations and devices. Location and devices and activity levels. Use this data to create an audience profile. You can also explore interest-based suggestions. For example, type fitness and it will show related pages like home workouts, MyFitnessPal, CrossFit. These are interest targets you can use in your ads. Go to audience and edit audience details like gender, age, locations, and detailed targeting. Location US, Canada, UK, wherever your customers are. Detailed targeting, add interests, behaviors, and pages they follow. Language, English, or as needed. Already have customers or page followers, use theme to find lookalike audience. Go to audience, then create audience, then lookalike audience. purchase from Shopify or WooCommerce. Meta purchasers from Shopify or WooCommerce. Meta will then find people with similar behaviors, powerful for scaling. Start with 1% similarity, then test up to 5% or 10% for broader reach. Here's a quick recap. Know your customer, use Facebook Insights, build layered saved audiences, use lookalike audiences for scaling, test everything and refine. If you want a deep life, uh, if you want a deep dive into Creative Plus targeting combos or add funnel breakdowns, comment below. Thanks for watching and go get those conversions.